These are modules we were given as a priority ng regional office for distribution po ready to the field in response to the demand of our schools now. Brought about by the massive damages of our instructional materials in the field, the rack and shear line. So adin, nagkadatong na po for immediate distribution.
Ano yun mga elementary na high school?
Elementary.
Oo.
Elementary.
So dako nga bulighan division.
Very big.
Ano nga mga subjects?
All areas po.
All areas. Oo.
All areas po.
Oo. So kada school, kada student tagpiran ma-receive nila.
Kung kayahan ng instrument, pwede man po.
Oo.
Depende lang sa for company, this is being inventory, no? Atong supply office na.
Sige, thank you very much.
Mga labels na ako.
Oo. So ano yun, may waray, may English? Oo.
May waray-waray. Ito, mga scientific literacy.
Oo. English ini.
Opo, digital citizenship. Basta ka ng elementary po. Iba pang computer. Ito, English naman po ito sa communication. Mathematics. Marami po. Ito pa. Science.